I ruined it again. It is not perfect. It looks fine. Wait, are you gonna start again? How many times will you start again today? I want to make the best project. Oh no. What happened, Mary? My flower is not perfect. It looks nice to me. Oh no, another mistake. Mistake again!
It is okay.
No, it is not okay. Why are you so worried? I don't want to make any mistakes. But everyone makes mistakes, not me. Mary, you are not a robot. I know. Then mistakes are normal. I think your teacher will like it because you worked hard. Maybe. Oh no, now it looks worse. Mary, stop. Stop? Yes. Take a break. But my project. Your project can wait. Okay.
Hello, kids. What happened?
Mom,
Mary is worried about her project.
Why?
I want everything to be perfect.
Perfect.
Yes,
Why?
because I don't want to make mistakes.
Mary, listen carefully.
Okay, Mom.
Making mistakes is part of learning.
It is?
Yes.
Mom, what if I make a big mistake?
Then you learn something new.
What if I make another mistake?
Then you learn again.
And what if she makes 10 mistakes? Then she learns 10 things. I don't have to be perfect.
No, you don't. You just need to try your best.
Look at my drawing! It takes a lot of learning. So I don't have to be perfect?
No.
And then it was this big.
Oh, really? I'm gonna get you.
The next day morning,
Oh. What is wrong? There is a small mistake. Start again? No. No? I will keep it.
Good.
Today.
Mary, show us your project.
This flower has a small mistake. That's okay. I used to worry about mistakes.
And now?
Now I know mistakes. Mistakes help me learn.
That is a beautiful drawing. You did a great job.
I feel proud. I had fun today. I don't have to be perfect. Mistakes help us learn. Mistakes are okay.
What mistake did you make today? And what did you learn?
Tell us in the comments. Like, subscribe, and learn with us.
Good night, sleep tight. Good night, sweet dreams.
Sometimes we make mistakes, and that is okay. A mistake does not mean you failed. It means you are learning. Mary learned something important today. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to try your best. So remember, make a mistake, learn from it, try again, and never give up.